on everyone, this is Tim because Simkanda and please welcome to my YouTube channel. This is gonna be my intro video and I'm gonna tell you what this channel is all about and I'm gonna tell you a bit about myself and also what am I gonna do for you, right? Now I'm gonna start off with myself. As I've already said, I'm Tim Simkanda and I'm a 23-year-old. I'm from South Africa. I am an honors graduate in information science and I also work for an IT company as a junior developer. Now, I'm not one of the top junior devs out there. I'm still in the learning phase. I'm still, building my skills, and yeah, I'm still working on myself, man. And I never studied computer science. I studied information science, which is, the lighter version of programming, right? Because I got to specialize in informatics, which allowed me to learn a bit about programming. But essentially information science is about data scientist and data analyst. I don't know how you would call it. Anyways, so the purpose of this channel, firstly, is to document the journey of mine as an entrepreneur. So I'm gonna be building my own business now from the ground up, and I'm working by myself. I don't have anyone, right? I have only me, and I'm following, some of the most successful entrepreneurs out there who happen to document their own journeys on YouTube. I know so many people don't believe in that. These people, they actually work on themselves and became successful in whatever they were doing, right? But me, I'm a firm believer in that. I've seen them building themselves from the ground up, and I believe I can do that as well. And it's so easy nowadays to do that. First of all, you can record yourself, and if you upload a lot of videos, you can become, relevant to people, and people will start paying attention to you, and the information you are sending out there, people might find important, or it might help them, right? And with that, you get to build your own brand. You get to showcase your skills as well, right? And you get to improve yourself in the process. So it's an all-in-one package, recording yourself, documenting your journey. So yeah, I'm gonna do that as well. I believe that this is the only way I can build my own brand. I can build my own legacy, right? Because that's what is important to me, building my own legacy. And also, with circumstances at home, I don't see any other way for me. I have studied, yes, I have a degree, but it doesn't help me because, first of all, in South Africa, if you live in South Africa, you are very aware of the situation. Like, job opportunities, they're quite rare. Even if you have a degree from one of the top universities, you still can't find a job, right? It's like it's a piece of paper. The way it works here in South Africa is crazy because you find people with no degrees but they have jobs. So the key to that is connections, right? Through connections, or through family, friends, which kind of leads to connections, you see. But anyways, so in this channel, I'm gonna be documenting my journey, and I'm gonna be documenting tutorials where I'm teaching you how to use AI in your personal life, or if you have a business, how you can use it in your business, or if you are working with clients, how you can implement it to your clients' businesses, right? So yeah, I'm also gonna do that now. My company, well, it's an agency, right? If you haven't heard of this model yet, it's called the AI Automation Agency. It's quite popular nowadays, but I'm sure still there's a large crowd of people that still haven't heard of that that business model called AI Automation Agency, right? But I was lucky enough to find it in the early stage, which was last year when one of the AI experts, which I know is Liam Artley, who invented the term AI Automation Agency, right? he introduced that business model by himself starting a business within the AI space, right? So I saw him building himself up, and I've decided to join him as well, because if he can do it, I believe everyone can. Like, you don't have any excuse. As long as you have a laptop, you have a phone, you have an internet connection, you can do it as well. You just have to be resilient, you have to be determined, you have to be, you have to be consistent, you have to put in the energy, you have to put in the work, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do all of that. And yeah, I'm gonna be documenting all the tutorials. I'm gonna be teaching you how to learn how to use AI, right? And I also believe in that, if you wanna excel in a certain space or in a certain industry, you have to teach people, right? When you teach people, you also get to build yourself up in the process. You get to cultivate your skills, because now every day you spend time trying to create a tutorial for people so that they can understand better what you're trying to show them. So for example, if you're teaching them on how to use ChatGPT, you have to spend time using ChatGPT and how it works and how you can prompt the system to give you more accurate information and all of that. So yeah, I'm a firm believer in that as well. So I'm gonna be doing all of that. I'm gonna be teaching you guys, and hopefully I'm gonna be giving you more insightful information, or that you're gonna find the tutorials more insightful and quite helpful for you. So yeah, man, this is just an intro. I have nothing else to say to you, but I'll see you on the next video. Hopefully you will subscribe and like this video, because I'm really looking forward to working with you guys and seeing how I can really push myself to the limit, whatever limit that is. And I hope you join me as well, because we literally started from the same level, from ground zero. I don't have any funding. Well, I'm working for a company, but that company is not paying me properly. I'm just there for the experience, and I also have to sacrifice my food allowance to, just to be able to test some of the systems, right? But yeah, I'm gonna be doing that. And if you have a little bit of cash as well, because you don't need a lot, you just need to test one platform. It can be $20 in USD. So yeah, you just need that to work on it, man. Get a camera or use your phone. I'm using my phone, which is a low quality phone, but I'm using my phone to record this video, and then hopefully it will work out, man. I know it will. Just bear with me, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one.